Hey everyone.
Well, welcome back to our channel. Today we are actually going to be unboxing Popmart's Skullpanda Winter Symphony.
We're going to do our,
Yeah. So, because it's Christmas in July, essentially. So,
yes.
Yeah.
I think this is good for our next full set that we did. The first one we did, you guys saw, was the Demo World.
Yep. And we actually bought a different Skullpanda, but we wanted to open this one first. So, yeah. So, we're going to get started here. I believe, let me just see if there's any pictures. These are what the possible figures that you guys can get in the set, but we're hoping for a secret.
Yeah, we don't even know what the secret one is, huh? Is there a possible secret too?
There is a possible secret.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, we'll just kind of get started here.
All right. I'm going to try to carefully open this so we can preserve the box too. All right.
We've been just trying to do a lot of unboxings, so that is why.
Like a little present every single time.
Yeah, it's really, really cool. It's very therapeutic when you're unboxing. So that's why we decided to get into it. Okay, well, I don't know how we want to open this because it looks like...
Let's see. Let's open this off all the way.
I think the top part is a little, like, this little thing here.
Oh, actually. Oh, that too.
I think we can actually...
There's actually a lift up here instead.
Oh, there is? Okay, we can just do that and then preserve... Oh, you need a...
Another scissors.
Another scissors. Another scissors part.
Is it just a little seal? Okay.
Yeah, just a little seal. All right, perfect. So we'll do that. I want to preserve the box as much as we can because we need to store these somewhere in the meantime.
Yes.
So, yeah. All right. We're going to pick one. All right. I'm going to pick one.
Right in the middle. Nice.
Right in the middle. And go. All of them look really, really nice looking. I think I would like, honestly, the Wanderer's Tune looks nice. The Ode to Coco. Oh, Song of Snow. All of them look pretty.
Ooh, these are pretty cool.
These are pretty cool, actually.
So kind of wrapped up in...
This is what this looks like. Sorry, I keep interrupting you. This is what the box looks like, and then this is what you can possibly get. So, yeah.
Yeah, kind of wrapped up in snow gear. I didn't know that's what it was.
Well, that's why I bought it. So I bought it because Chris and I, if you haven't been following us very long, we are very into Christmas. So, especially this one right here. So that is why I decided to just get this because I saw these online and I was like, man, this reminds me so much of Christmas. So figured it would be great for us to unbox this together. And yeah, do you want to go first?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's hope for a secret, but we're happy with whatever we get. All right.
Is this like one of those sets where they say you're supposed to get all individual at least for sure?
Yeah. Alright, let's see here. We know it's Popmart official because I did buy this from Popmart.
Yeah.
And there is always going to be a QR code up here. So that's just a way to know. As we've been going along here, we've kind of learned how to tell and how to tell whether it's fake or real.
Which is important.
Yeah, which is really fun. We got that. All right. Ooh.
Ooh, is that?
Oh.
Is that the plain red one, or is it the secret one?
Is this a secret?
Oh shoot! Is that a secret one?
It's a secret.
I'm gonna have to look this up.
Look at the secret.
Whoa.
This is so cool.
Hey. Secret on the first
we got
one.
a secret on the first one.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look this up.
Yeah, because it's not on the. I'm looking. I'm like, no. Yeah, this is the secret.
Symphony secret.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Is this it?
Yes.
Symphony of Witches? Well, that's it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey. Verified that I just got the secret. Oh my
wow.
gosh. Yay, first try.
Ho ho ho.
Nice. I love this one. This is actually one of my favorites. I'm gonna show it again.
That is so cool.
So pretty.
On the first pull, front and center too.
Nice. I love it. This is so
That is
pretty.
a cool one.
Yeah, I really like this one. I'm gonna put it on display.
I think all the secrets really much are pretty cool. Like for all of these things.
Yeah.
Like especially even the roly-poly kitty.
That
That
one.
looks like the Lucky Kitty one. Like they're
Yeah.
all designed to be very cool looking.
Oh my gosh.
Hey!
Hey! We pulled the secret.
Whoa! Whoa!
So yeah, this is actually the new edition of the Skullpanda too. Yeah, let's see. Hold on. Don't let's not here. There.
There's
So
a
you
card with
also
it.
get a card with it.
For identification purposes.
So yeah, wish. And that is yeah, it's none of these, so
Yeah, that's
hey,
a secret.
Yay!
Yay! That's so cool. Good job. Good job.
Nice.
Our first actually legitimate secret pull.
Yes. All right. Well, I'm gonna put this back in. I want to make sure I put this in very, very nicely and.
With our demo world, they're basically saying you should be getting every single one in the series with a chance of a secret. So nice.
Okay, I hope I did this right. I love it. It's so pretty.
That is really cool.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh.
That's awesome. Secret pull.
That made my weekend actually.
That's what this is gonna be labeled as on YouTube. Secret pull.
Hey.
All right. So I guess my turn.
Yep, your turn.
Number two.
All right. Which one would you want? And then you kind of just make a wish.
Let's see. Make a wish. I mean, rock on is cool, but snow is, it's white. It's pretty clean looking. Kind of like Frozen-esque. Well, let's see here. And which one are cool now? Because you got the secret. Hey. One. They really designed these to open up a certain way. Didn't they? Precious.
It's like precious, not like
Precious shiny. Let's keep this.
Okay. All right. You're wanting
Let's do the snow one.
snow or the rock on. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Shaboom! Hey, and it's the rock
Got the
on.
rock on. Yeah.
It's very it's got some good like glitteriness to it too. If you can see that.
Yeah. That's why we like these.
The eyes are
so much.
pretty. Look at that eye.
Some of the Skullpanda stuff, like
A little
are
too
not-
goth and creepy for us.
Yeah, but that's for our taste, right? So
Yeah.
you know.
it's our taste.
But we like these ones because they're just so pretty looking.
We will eventually get to the full set of the what's it called?
It's like the lay impression made.
The lamp impression made. Just because that one was,
Those ones are really pretty too.
and they were a little bit higher on the price tag, so we got a special day for that too. So
Yeah, for sure.
cool.
All right, let's see here. All right, my turn. And all right, what would I like? I mean, wouldn't it be funny if I did another secret pull?
That would be insane.
That would be funny. But I mean, I like the Partita is very Christmassy. I like Rhapsody. Rhapsody is this pink
Oh,
one,
that's
right?
with the heart eye. That's cool.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool. But all of them are really pretty. Yeah, that's why we wanted to purchase it so badly. All right, let's see here. All right. Ooh.
Oh. Sorry, just
Hey, we're pretty spot on today. Look at this. This is the Partita. Partita. This is the one that it resembles a Christmas tree.
Oh, it is a Christmas tree.
It's so
I
pretty.
get it. It's a Christmas tree.
This is so pretty. Okay. Yeah.
The eyes on these are really cool.
I like these ones. They're very starry.
Are they starry? They're kind of round.
Yeah.
Oh, that is starry.
Yeah, they're
Oh,
star.
wow.
There's a star in the center.
Very cool.
Yes. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
All right, I'll go back corner.
Okay, which one would you want?
I think this is going to be the Wonder Tune.
You think so?
The reindeer looking one. I'm going to call it Wonder Tune, the reindeer looking one.
Okay.
Oh, I messed up the box. There we go. Right. Pops up here. Get the top. And grab the head. Face it this way. This is the.
What is this one?
Oh, it's not on the box either.
Hold on. What is on it? Maybe Wanderer's Tune? I don't know.
Let's see what the card says. Hold this.
Yeah, here. This is pretty.
It is pretty, but it's not on the box either.
Yeah, what's going on?
Coco Rock.
Oh, Coco Rock.
Is it a different model of it?
Maybe. Oh no, Ode to Coco. Here. Ode to Coco. It's
Oh,
on the...
okay.
Okay, there you go.
It just, oh, okay, it looks,
It just looks different, yeah. So, maybe it's because we have yellow lighting in this room.
Oh, no, I get it.
But-
Because of the ears. The
Yeah.
ears are just more further back.
Yeah. But, like, what I'm saying is that it looks beige on the box.
Oh, yeah.
And, like, I don't know if it actually looks... It looks more white in person, so...
Yeah, okay.
Okay, there's that.
I was like, oh, that's a different color. Yeah, it does look more brownish, light brownish. That's maybe what I think, yeah. But it does have cool red hair. Metallic red hair.
I'll do front. Okay. Alright. Rhapsody or Song of Snow? Okay, let's see. So the thing is, with that secret, we would have a complete set.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to find out this.
Well, we would be missing one, right?
Yeah, technically.
But hey,
Okay.
got a secret though.
Okay. Let's see. Open up the ring. Okay. All right. Oh, okay.
Reindeer one.
The reindeer one. That one's cute too. The
One.
Wanderer's Tune. So this is the Wanderer's Tune.
Oh, I like the bow tie.
That is cute.
It's a clean tie too.
Outfit. Aww.
Kind of reminds me from the Nara deer
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
in Japan. You guys watch our videos so you can watch when those get aggressively attacked
By deer.
and run away.
Not
this
brain.
year.
Not this year, but the fact that you brought that up brought back a little bit of trauma from
That
that.
was so mad. They were nipping at my shirt. I was like, ah.
I got bit.
Oh, yeah.
I got legit bit. So, but yeah, no. But this is cuter than
This
an
is a lot
our deer.
cuter.
Okay,
And
your
last
turn.
one. So we have Rock On, Partita, Wanderer's Tune, other things. So we're missing.
We're missing Snow and Rhapsody.
The Snow would be a cool one to have for the set. All right, last pull, you guys. Thanks for coming along on this journey again. Just something that cool that we got into. We saw everyone getting into these, and like, why not?
Yeah. I mean, like, why not?
If I get into the box. There we go. All right. Last one. Now
Okay.
looking at the card, even though I follow the select shuffle. Okay.
Okay. All right.
There you
Snow
go.
or Rhapsody? Okay. The
Rhapsody.
Rhapsody. Oh, that's so pretty.
This dress is coming up a little bit.
Yeah, the dress is coming up just a smidge, but it's so cute. Look at this. It's really pretty. It is really pretty. Well, once we can kind of get that situated, it's pretty.
Nice eyes too.
Yeah,
Pink eyes.
I like the pink eye. Well, actually, surprise, I actually got an extra box. One more box.
We got one more chance.
We got one more box to complete our set.
One more chance.
So let's see. I would like this to be snow so that
It
it
would
will
have to be
complete our set.
All right, Dave. Do it.
We'll see. But even if it's any other ones, it's cute. I will probably just keep it on my purse or something like that because it's a duplicate.
For Christmas time.
Yeah. Okay. Snow.
You can feel the face of the package. Come on, Snow.
Come on, snow. Come on, snow. Come on, snow. Oh, it's a partita.
It's another tree, Christmas tree. It's cute.
Oh, this will be cute. I'm gonna put this on my purse
Because you already have a green,
because I have a green
Labubu.
Labubu.
a real Labubu.
Yes, but I'll some of these duplicates I just like. Though there's ones I will want to like just put on a display case or something like that, but this one I'll just kind of keep around.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Actually, if you look at the photo, the dress kind of does come up a little bit.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
it's all good. We got it. We'll have to go for our snow at some point.
Eventually,
Or
yeah.
find it. We'll
Point.
find it eventually. But yeah, thanks for coming along, guys. We appreciate you guys following us. Keep following us. Like, share, subscribe. See you later.
Yay.
Bye.